Welcome to patient 9. If yes, your heart doctor might have advised a transcatheter aortic valve replacement, TAVR, procedure for you instead of an open heart surgery, OHS. Or, you might be having another health condition, such as kidney or lung disease or diabetes, which would make open heart valve replacement surgery risky for you. In this case, as well, your doctor might advise transcatheter aortic valve replacement, TAVR, for your aortic stenosis. Our review of available scientific research on the safety and efficacy of the various options leads us to conclude that patients recommended for TAVR should seek consultation with a surgeon or cardiologist who utilizes a Sapien 3 line of prosthetic aortic valves. A minimally invasive aortic valve replacement is surgery to replace a poorly working aortic valve with an artificial valve. The aortic valve is one of the heart's 4 valves. The valves help blood flow through the heart's 4 chambers and out to your body normally. The surgery is called minimally invasive because it uses a smaller incision than a traditional open repair. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel.